Also some light scattered precipitation, light rain across the area since last night, a few sprinkles into this morning. We've been seeing also some moisture. So right now, for the most part, seeing clear skies in North County, the coastal areas. We're seeing a little bit of light rain in Borrego Springs over the mountain areas. Other than that, things look good at the moment. Just a few sprinkles here and there. The roads may be wet for sure because of the light precipitation we've had early on, but the worst of it is yet to come. This is a storm system that is going to be moving into the area, digging to the south. It's also associated with the plume of moisture that is coming from the Pacific, from the southwest, and that's going to actually enhance the amount of rain that we're going to receive. So from today through Wednesday morning, expecting about 1 to 2 inches of rain in the coastal areas and the valleys. For the mountains, even more than that, up to 4 inches. The deserts about ½ an inch or less. There is going to be a chance of thunderstorms, so instability moving into the area for Tuesday through the morning hours, even through the evening hours. And with the heavy amounts of rain with those thunderstorm cells, we may see some street flooding, flash flooding, mudslides, and debris flow, because we may get about 1/4 of an inch to ½ an inch of rain per hour. So definitely big changes coming our way. We may have some few scattered light showers throughout the day today. So this is not the main storm system. The main storm system will be arriving by tonight. So this is another supercast, long-term or long-range rather. So late tonight, more widespread and heavier precipitation by tomorrow morning. That's when we're going to get the bulk of the rain. At times, it's going to be intense. So the yellows, the darker yellows and the darker greens, that actually shows that it's going to be heavier precipitation, which is expected with the passage of this cold front that is going to be moving through tomorrow morning. There's going to be heavy amounts of rain even through the evening hours for your not only morning commute, but your evening commute may be impacted for sure by 6 o'clock tomorrow night, and even by 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. The system will continue to be with us, and then it'll taper off late on Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. It'll be out of here. But definitely not only the heavy amounts of rain, but also the winds are going to be an issue, because we're going to have potentially even damaging winds, especially for the mountains, for the deserts, winds between 45 to 65 miles per hour. And these kind of winds can cause trees and tree branches to fall. We may even see maybe some power outages and definitely difficult driving conditions. But not only for the mountains and deserts, even for the coastal areas and the valleys. We have a wind advisory. We're expecting wind gusts 25 to even 40 miles per hour tonight into tomorrow. So here's a look at our supercast in terms of the winds. Throughout the day, not so bad. Tonight, we're going to begin to see winds ranging between 5 to even 20 miles per hour. By tomorrow morning, check it out. Winds across the coastal areas and even into the valleys up to 30 and even 40 miles per hour. So it's going to be extremely windy. It's going to be wet. Definitely plan accordingly. Make sure that you give yourselves extra time before you head out to work or to school tomorrow morning. Here's a look at our temperatures actually warming up. We do have the southwesterly flow. We have the flow coming in from the south, so we have warm conditions right now, a warm front ahead of the cold front. And for today, 68 for the coastal areas, 71 inland valleys, 57 for the mountains, and 70 for the deserts. The temperatures will begin to plummet on Tuesday, much colder with that chance of showers and thunderstorms, 90% to 100% chance of precipitation. And again, it'll be heavy at times for the inland valleys, 69, 58, and warming up to the 80s by the weekend. The mountains, 57, 49 Tuesday and Wednesday, with those strong gusty winds that will begin to diminish and actually calm down just a little bit by Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. But definitely it is going to be blustery for the desert areas, from 70s to 63 on Tuesday, and then gradually will begin to warm up over the weekend to the upper 70s. If you missed last night's sunset, it was a little cloudy but beautiful, with hints
Very nice, Tracy.
and hues of yellows and oranges. Thank you, Tracy Valenta, for sending this photo in.
Very nice. Thanks, Francella.
Thank you, Francella.